What if happiness is not something you find someday in the future, but something you quietly build through your daily habits, mindset, and choices? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from How to Be Happy Every Day by Man Ndhina. The central message of the book is happiness is often built internally before it appears externally. Many people believe happiness will finally arrive after more money, more success, a relationship, perfect circumstances, or external validation. But the book teaches lasting happiness is deeply connected to mindset, emotional habits, gratitude, perspective, and how we respond to life daily. One major lesson from the book is that the mind naturally focuses on problems more than blessing. Many people constantly think about what is missing, what went wrong, what others have, or what they still lack. The book encourages readers to intentionally practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts emotional focus and increases inner peace. Many people connect happiness entirely to approval from others. Social comparison, people-pleasing, and external validation often create insecurity, emotional dependence, and dissatisfaction. The book reminds readers, self-worth should not depend completely on outside opinions. The book also explains, emotional well-being is affected by daily routines and habits. Things like sleep, movement, relationships, rest, reflection, and healthy routines all affect happiness more than many people realize. Daily habits shape emotional health over time. One deeper lesson from the book is this: much emotional suffering comes from resisting reality constantly. Life includes uncertainty, mistakes, disappointments, and difficult seasons. The book teaches, acceptance creates more peace than constant resistance. This does not mean giving up. It means learning to respond wisely instead of emotionally fighting everything endlessly. One of the strongest lessons from the book is real happiness is not only pleasure. It is also connected to meaning, purpose, relationships, growth, contribution, and emotional connection. The book reminds readers, happiness grows when life feels meaningful, not only comfortable. This book reminded me that happiness is often built gradually through perspective, gratitude, emotional awareness, and small daily choices repeated consistently over time. How to Be Happy Every Day reminds us, happiness is not a perfect destination. It is something we practice, protect, and create daily through mindset, habits, gratitude, and emotional balance. If this message resonated with you, comment "Choose Happiness" daily below, as a reminder to focus on gratitude, emotional growth, and meaningful living. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone interested in happiness, mindset, emotional well-being, or personal growth today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.